Now, as the entertainment sector prepares for a reopening tomorrow, the authorities in St. Catherine say they are doing everything to make it an economic success. However, some promoters are skeptical as they see challenges ahead.
In just over 24 hours, the local entertainment industry will experience a glimmer of what it was 15 months ago. Entertainment events will be allowed come Thursday. Plus, a new 11 p.m. curfew will take effect. In light of the economic fallout for stakeholders over the past year, the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation is offering a 50% discount on party permits and entertainment licenses over the next 6 months.
We are hoping that all the persons that are involved in round robins and all the small entertainment events will now hurriedly come in and get their permits so that we don't have to send the police to close them down.
But in spite of this discount on permits, some party promoters who did not want to speak on camera claim that the police are not on the same page. They say while the Prime Minister's announcement takes effect July 1, there is a 10 working day delay in the police granting permits, if it is granted at all. We put this question to the police on Wednesday. Head of the Jamaica Constabulary Force's Corporate Communications Unit, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, says the 10 working days for granting permits is nothing new, and the cops are ready for the July 1 changes.
Well, we know that with the pandemic, they have to apply to the parish council, the local authority, but they still have to apply to the police under the Noise Abatement Act. So if they are going to do anything that requires music in the night, then they are still required to apply within the minimum 10 days. And the police will give them a feedback within a certain time. So that is still the process. That has not changed.
It's not clear if any application for permit has come to the police since Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the announcement last week Tuesday. If not, there may not be any legal parties for the next 2 weeks. Nonetheless, the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation chairman is calling for other entities to follow their example.
A 50% reduction means a whole lot. And I'm also calling on jams and all of those other, because we only have one aspect of the entertainment. Jams have a greater amount of, as it relates to cost involved in permitting these events. So I'm asking that they also follow suit.